Scotland. Just started fishing on the Loch for brown trout. See what happens. I'll go and be fishing for a few hours. Nice ripple on the surface. I might go further round where it's more sheltered from the wind. For the first time in a long time, I'm fishing with 2 flies on the leader. I don't usually. I usually fish with one fly. Thought I might give it a go. Flies I have on are a claret bumble on the top dropper. On the point I have a goat head nymph. Anyway, I'll see what happens. Thought I might show you all these minnows. Huge shoal of them. God, look at them all. Good sign that the loch is in good condition. Anyway, back to it. Across this stream that runs out. Going to walk around the water's edge, and then just past this rock that's out here. Turn camera back on when I'm lagging. Finally made it. Bit breezy here. Might interfere with the mic quite a bit. I think I'll have a cast here. I have to be careful because all this is shallow. There's a ridge that goes from this rock all the way to this other one, or around there anyway, and there might be another one across here. First time fishing here on my own. Usually come with my father. Bit more sheltered here, which is good. Anyway, I'll give it a few casts. Oh god. Nice day for it, fishing. I haven't seen anything rising or splashing about. Should really come in the evening. there's someone walking. Oof. Where the hell did they come from? Never seen anyone walking on here, on the road. Crazy. Another podcast. Oh, I heard a splash line. Don't know where it was. No idea. Getting warm now. Fish this quickly, then I'll move again. There's some weed. Some weed in the calm water. Middle of the calm water, some weed. Oh, there it is again. What was that? I've moved again. I think if I come back again, I'll bring my 7 weight, be a bit more, should be able to cast more easily then, especially with the wind. I've been tangled again, come on, for fuck's sake. Damn these tangles. Wind has changed. God damn it. Well, I'm surprised I'm not catching anything. Definitely have to bring my 7 weight. was a take. My dear. I think I'll call it here. I think I'll go in the burn. Maybe I'll have to see. Oh, Jesus. Ew. I'm dry here, but it's a bit breezy. Very breezy. Ow, my finger. Oh, that's breezy. Oh my god. Something big splashed earlier, but I don't think it was this sea trout. Might have been, but I don't know. Have to see how the week goes. Probably was a sea trout. I can't see any signs of mullet. So finally. Sea trout here are wily beasts. Really difficult to catch them. Tide is going out. There you go. Tiny fish, tiny sea trout. Oh, look at it. It's cute. This is a fly I've got on. Oh, it's rushing out now. I don't fish this stretch at low tide. It's alright if it's going out, but not when it's got low. If it's low tide, I'm usually higher up in the river. I'm back to my 9-foot rod. This is a saltwater line, it's rated at 8. Wouldn't use my 6-weight freshwater line in saltwater. Never have done. Yeah, I think some tiddlers are here. Cast my line to them anyway. Could do with the wind again. I'll cast out further. There's a lot of tiddlers about. Try a bit further up, I think. Oh, there's one. Oh shit. Got my landing net stuck. Oh, just when I move. Thank you, fish. Try here for a while. Doubt I'll catch anything. Never like this spot, this place. Deep on both sides, shallow in the middle. I think I'll call it quits for now. It's high tide now. There's a few fish rising here. Not many, I think they're all tiny. And I think there's some here in the ditch, which could be mullet, but I'm not too sure. Won't be out here for long. Having tea soon, it's nearly 5 o'clock. Just be careful of the holes here. Okay, that don't work. Might have to put my midge net on. Oh the hell. Jesus. Oh, try again. Moved again. I'm on the jetty now. Ooh, a crab. There's an eel.